Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Shopify email. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, find the Settings option, usually in the bottom left corner. Click on Settings to open a new menu. Next, you'll want to look for Notifications within this Settings menu. This is where you manage all your customer communications, including email templates. It's a straightforward process to find and customize your email settings. Once in the Notifications section, you'll see a list of various email templates, such as order confirmations or shipping updates. Choose the specific email you wish to customize. You can then edit the text, add your store's logo, and adjust colors to match your brand. Remember to use the preview function to see how your changes will appear to customers before you save them. This ensures a consistent and professional look. For a professional touch, you might want to set up email forwarding from your custom domain. Head back to Settings and then select Domains. If you purchased your domain through Shopify, you can easily add forwarding email addresses here. For example, you can forward info at your store. To your personal email. Always send a test email to confirm that the forwarding is working correctly and that messages are reaching your intended inbox. To maximize your email effectiveness, always maintain a consistent brand voice across all communications. This builds trust and recognition with your customers. Also, consider segmenting your customer lists to send targeted messages, which can significantly improve engagement and conversion rates. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Regularly review your email performance metrics to refine your strategy and ensure you're always connecting effectively with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.